Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Venmo money to Cash App. If you're looking for an inside video or inside app tutorial, that's not the video for you. So how to do that? First, you'll need to go and log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't, go and create an account. And of course, you'll need to fund it using your debit card, bank account, or whatever it is. And even if you don't have it downloaded, of course, you'll need to download it. If you don't know how to create an account, you will need to go. Sorry, I had an issue. Anyway, so of course, to get your Venmo money to Cash App, of course, you will need to access your Venmo account. As I said, if you don't have an account, you can watch one of our videos on how to create an account. Anyway, once you access your account, you will find yourself on the home screen. You'll find the button at the middle bottom of your screen. You'll find Pay or Requests. Click on that button, and of course, first of all, like, can you send money? Of course, yes, you can send money from Venmo to Cash App very easily. But of course, the process involves some few steps as outlined below in here. So, how to transfer from Venmo to Cash App? So basically, you'll need to link your Cash App account to Venmo. You can open the Venmo app, go to the menu icon settings, and click on payments methods and choose add or bank, of course, or card. Select card and then enter your Cash App Visa debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll need to verify then your Cash App card. After adding your Cash App card, Venmo or to Venmo, you need to verify it to ensure it successfully transferred like everything correctly. So Venmo will make a small charge to your Cash App card, typically less than $1, and then you'll have to check your Cash App transaction history for the charge. Once you find the amount, return to Venmo and enter it or to verify, of course, the card. So now how to transfer money? Go to the app again, click on Pay or Request. You'll find this at the bottom middle. Then enter the amount that you want to transfer. Click or on Payments Method and select your Cash App card. Then confirm transaction by clicking on Pay. Of course, you have two options after paying, either instant or 1 to 3 business days. So if you want to send the money instantly, you can, but you will pay 1% fees of the amount that you're sending. If you like sending too much money to your Cash App, the maximum amount that will charge you is simply just $10. But if you want the transfer to be for free, you can do that, but you will have to wait from 1 to 3 business days. And yeah, that's how you send money from Cash App to Venmo or from Venmo to Cash App. Thank you for watching and goodbye.